make sure cover's off, and then you're gonna want to tap the three dots, go to page template, and go to downloaded, tap the plus, then tap which action you want to use, and then pick the cover, and then you can just adjust it how you want. It got cut off a bit, which sucks. And then you're going to want to, I have to change that first of all. You're gonna want to change the template again, and you're gonna want to add another picture. It's gonna be the one that says this belongs to this masterpiece, this diary, or this journal, and then you put it however you want. And then you can just write. I wouldn't recommend using text, but you can just simply write it with the drawing tool. And oh gosh, it won't let me add another. Hold on. Oh wait. And you're gonna, if you didn't already, change the default, which I forgot to do. But I need the blank one anyways, since it's just a drawing book. Oh gosh, I messed something up. Oh gosh. Okay. Just move that real quick. And then you can just do whatever and erase that first of all. And then, you're pretty much done. You can skip this part. I'm just drawing a random doodle. His name is Bob with some hair. Oops.